Real quick, let me show you how to fade and crossfade your footage in Davinci Resolve. Step 1. Import your media files into Davinci Resolve by right-clicking in the media pool and selecting Import. Step 2. To add a video fade, select the clip, go to either the beginning or the end of the clip, and grab the top corner and drag the fader as needed. Step 3. To crossfade between two video clips, highlight the two clips, right-click in between them, and select either 6, 12, 24, or 48 frame cross dissolve. Step 4. To control the length of your crossfade, adjust the duration of the effect by dragging the ends of the effect. Step 5. Preview your project to make sure your video fades and crossfades look the way you want. And as a last second tip, you can also add audio crossfades by doing the same process. Just right-click and choose a crossfade to your liking. This will create a smooth transition between the two audio tracks. Hope this video helped you guys. Make sure to like this video for more real quick content. Peace.